Well, doing some maintenance, and we're closed down for the pile of snow that we've received recently. I was doing some maintenance, and I noticed that the bolts that were holding the husk to the frame, rails, whatever, however you want to word that, top part's the husk, whatever you want to call that bottom piece there, holds those two together. There was 4 of these, and they were in bad condition when I got the mill, and that's I just reused them with no tapered washers, no washers at all. It was just 4 of these, and that, it's hard to explain, but has a tapered profile to it. So those were loose, and the husk was kind of moving around a little bit. So now we have new washers, new bolts, all new hardware all the way around. And I also noticed that my lead was way off and the husk was crooked. So I pushed it to where it looked like it was square, and now it's way off on the lead. So I think I'm going to loosen those up and try to just shove the whole husk around back to the lead was set right, because obviously it was set correctly and running good. I guess that'd explain why I was having some trouble with crooked boards and the blade kind of pushing. So I'll go through, loosen all them up, and get back and start pushing it around. We haven't even made it to loosening any of those bolts up yet. I broke the level out, started walking around everything, and this corner here is down both ways. Oh, sorry about the light, just a touch. So, farting around, picked it up, put a plate under it, looked like it made it better. So I got this piece made up. I gotta jack that up. I'm gonna slide this in from behind there, and then I got a little filler piece so that bolt will still go through the middle. And then after it's level, I checked the rails too. They're still pretty good. Everything else looks good. I walked around a bunch of spots with the level. So then once it's level, then I'll loosen those up and we'll start shoving that around. But yeah, I guess, I mean, I was prying up on it. Just gotta get, hey, somebody, come over here. Oh, there's nobody around to help. So I guess I'll figure out some kind of hobcobbery to pick it up on it, and I can slide all that stuff through. Stick around. It's all tightened down, squared up. We got the lead set. I didn't set it using the bearing blocks like you're supposed to. I left those how they were, and I just shifted the husk around because that's what was loose. I did it rough measurement first, just off the board laid across the carriage. Got it close, and then I measured off one of the head blocks to the same tooth, rolled the wheel, moved the carriage, same tooth, same head block, back and forth. I got the front set at a 1/16 of an inch in from the back. That's what the lead is supposed to be for this. I did not check the splitter. Now that I think about it, I gotta check that. My buddy came by afterwards. We got the rollers set up, so now the board should just easily come off of here and slide down. Hopefully there's a whole pile of people lined up helping. Probably not. Probably doing it by myself. Oh, and it's a heads up, that stuff's terrible. Holy crap, that was like eating a chunk of the couch that somebody cut and put teriyaki seasoning on. Wow, I think I might have lost a tooth trying to chew on that stuff. Do not get the Glenwood beef jerky. Not worth it. But, I mean, we're kind of at a standstill until the snow's gone. Got a pile of slabs in the way. I want to get all this stuff, junk, gone before we start cutting. Because I got a lot of wood to cut. That's got to get moved up to where the barn's going to be. The old sawmill, I got to get that gone. I got plans for that, but it's got to not be right there. That's where wood has to go. But, I mean, until the snow's gone, we're kind of stuck. Another bit of maintenance around the mill that I got done is I moved the clutch handle there. It was on this side, coming off over here. But then if something went bad, I had to go from up there all the way around the fuel tank over to here to be able to turn the, you know, spinning wheel of death off. So I moved it over there, so now I can grab onto it, you know, inches away from the belts. That seems so much safer, I think. I don't see what could possibly go wrong. I mean, that's not, you know, it's not a hand's width away. We'll be fine. It'll be, yeah. But we did that. Oh, and then I tried setting up a throttle cable. I had a boat throttle. And I tried going, I put the boat throttle up there, ran it down. I made a thing, I should have taken some pictures, made a thing coming off there with the cable, and, you know, there was a hole here and it was moving it, but it wouldn't, I didn't have enough motion. A bummer. It worked pretty good, but it just didn't have enough, you know, didn't move it enough to be able to turn it off and do it all. So I just go back to what I was doing before and, you know, set that on there and we just tighten her up. Tink, tink, tink. And then we go over here for precision. Line that up somewhere in there, wherever we're feeling like today. A couple puffs of black smoke for good luck and away we go. Oh, yeah, I mean, I don't know how I feel about that handle being over there. Maybe it'll come back here and build some kind of guard. I could move it back a little bit, and then I can't access the air filter if I want to. I guess I could probably do that. Who knows? We'll see.